Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about partial fractions. So I will put about 8 over s plus number 1. And the next one, we see that the highest power that is about number 2. So on numerator, we need to reduce by number 2 minus number 1. So we have bs, and later that we reduce to number 0, and we have c. Next, we need to do common denominator. About this one, it is missing about s squared plus 6s plus 11. So capital 8 multiplied by this one. About this one, it is missing about s plus number 1. So bs plus c multiplied by s plus number 1. Now, we need to expand this one. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of s. About s where we have a plus b. About s we have number 6 multiplied with 8. We have 6, 8, b and c. About the numbers, we have 11 with 8 and c. Now, we need to compare coefficients. About s where we have a plus b. In here we have 7s squared. So a plus b equals to number 7. This one equals to 31. And this one equals to 54. And now we create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions of ABC. So 8 equals to number 5, B equals to number 2, C equals to negative number 1. So we put A, B, C gone here. So 8 equals to number 5, B equals to number 2, C equals to negative number 1. So the integration of this one, we have number 5, Ln of the absolute value of s plus number 1. Now we need to concentrate on this one. So we know that number 11, we can put that is about number 9 plus number 2. And this one, that is about identities. So we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s plus number 3 equals to the square root of number 2 times t. Because if I put this one gone here, we have number 2 times t squared, number 2 and number 2 we can do about factorization. Tan t squared plus 1 we change for secant of t squared, and later that we simplify by ds. So because we have s, so I will put number 3 go to the right. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So this one, that is about this one. S, that is about this one. The S, that is about this one. So we have number 2 tan t squared. So number 2 and number 2, that is factorization. So this one, that is about secant of t squared. Later that, we need to simplify on numerator and denominator. So the square root of number 2 and number 2 go outside. So number 2 multiplied by negative number 3 and this one. So negative number 6, negative number 1, we have negative number 7. Tan t, that is about sine t over cosine t. And now we have the final answer. The integration of negative number 7, we have negative number 7t. This one, that is about negative with Fn of the absolute value of cosine t. And I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by the square root of number 2. And now we can find the value of t. So I will put this one to change for t. So we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.